Hi, I'm Wes Dowding. I'm the Business Change and Training Lead at CX. Today, we're going to take a look at how we can create workspaces in Google Drive. Let's dive in. So to create a workspace, first of all you need to go to the priority page in your Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll find a little bit under the suggested Files tabs the word Create next to Workspaces. Clicking on that, you can now entitle your new workspace and press Create. From here, you'll now be able to add files up to 25, as you can see in the top left here. You cannot add folders, only files. What we're doing here is creating a space for all your files, no matter where they're stored. So for example, if you're a project manager and you have, for example, access for a project on a Google Sheet that may be held in finance, maybe you've also got access to a Google Slide, but that's held in marketing, and maybe you have your own Google Docs, all relating to this one project. Instead of having to look here, there and everywhere within your Google Drive, you can put them under one roof. You simply go to Add Files, and all those files you have access to, you will be able to find either under your recent, your own My Drive, in shared drives as well, along with any shared with you from someone else, and in your starred. I'm just going to pick some ones here from My Drive, and you just highlight them to choose them and then press Insert. Once you've added all of your files, you've created your first workspace. Be aware, all you are actually doing is creating shortcuts to the original files. You are not making copies. Once you've completed your workspace, you can add more files by clicking on Add Files. You can also remove files that you no longer need in your workspace by coming to the ellipsis, clicking on here, where it will also give you a link to other menus, but you can remove from your workspace by just clicking here. Once you've created everything you want in your workspace, you can just click Done, and then it will be displayed in your workspace list. Please note though, you can only display up to 9 workspaces at one time. If you want to create a 10th, you will need to hide a workspace, and you can do that by coming onto the 3 dots, Hide Workspace. You haven't though deleted it. You will be able to get it back by just coming into the Hidden Workspaces and then being able to bring it back very simply by coming onto the 3 dots and Unhide Workspace. It will then come back with all of the files that you attributed to that workspace. I hope you found this useful.
Thanks for watching. Here at the Live Learning Company, we aim to take the hassle out of tech and put the human back into digital training. We deliver scalable training sessions in productivity and collaboration apps such as Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Our sessions are delivered live by trainers, meaning you can ask questions as you learn. Click on the link to see our website and learn more.